Okay, so this is an unboxing of the hyperspectral SWIR camera. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. I have to get rid of all these nylon strips. It's a lot of them. And with us is Dorota and Katrine. You can say how excited you are.
Very excited.
Last one.
Can I have the cutter?
You can
This one of them is not very...
go the very top.
Oh, okay.
Can I do it?
What's
Let's try
this?
this.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This one I said. Okay, I'm doing it wrong. It's from below. So it's not a hinge. All of them.
It's open, yeah. Ooh. Wow.
Stinks.
Okay.
A SWIR hyperspectral camera from Neo.
So the actual camera is in that
HySpex.
box.
It's in that box.
Yeah, that's a
Okay.
camera.
Oh,
And
wow.
this is kind of set up. That would be the laptop. This is, I don't know, probably some boxes. A frame grabber probably.
What?
Wow, it's a lot of stuff.
Oh wow, they already mounted everything onto the board.
Oh, a stop button.
Oh, that's good.
It's just when you need to stop doing research, you can just press this.
I need a break, just an emergency stop.
Auto-destruct.
Like this. If you get that. Okay, I think we should already pause it
Yeah.
to do that again.
Oh, a perfect fit
Okay.
to the card.
Good.
Okay.
I guess you can stop.
Yes.